Guys, I'm back. This is my haul. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mo. Welcome to Mo Savings, where I'm here to help you save money. And I'm going to go over, I did a total of 5 transactions to maximize my savings because I like to roll CVS money so I can keep my real money in my pocket. So let's get started. Alright, so my first transaction, I got 3 nail polish. When you buy 2, you get back a $4 ECB. The Lady Speed Stick is on promotion. When you buy 1, the other one will be 50% off. The Palm Olive is priced at $1.99. The big pens, they are buy 1 get 1 free. And the Wet n Wild is regular price. So let me show you my receipt. So here's the breakdown of the first receipt. The Palm Olive is $1.49. The big pens, buy 1 get 1 free. So after the $1.50 off 2 digital, my final price is $1.29 for both packs of pens. I had extra savings with the Lady Speed Stick and app savings. They buy 1 get the other one 50% off. Stick was $2.06, and then the other one was $1.02. And then the mint, when you buy 2 or more, it drops the price down from $2.99 to $2.50. And I used a $2 off 3 nail polish. And I also used a $1 off 2 speed stick, plus 2 more app only coupons applied. So my subtotal was $11.85, and I got back $6 in extra carry rewards. 2 from the speed stick and 4 from the nail polish. And this is transaction number 2. When you buy 2 Irish Spring body wash, they're priced at $3.99 each. You get back a $3 extra carry reward. The Tresemme is 2 for $8, and you get back a $3 extra carry reward for that as well. I used one of these in today's Sunday's paper, and I also had a $1 off 2 Irish Spring digital coupon and a $2 off 8 body wash CRT from last week. I applied it to this transaction. As you can see, the savings, the manufacturer comes out first, then the CRTs, the $2.50 off 8, $2 off 8 body wash, the 1 off 2 Irish Spring, and then the $6 in extra carry rewards from the transaction number 1. My subtotal was 48 cents, and I got back $6 in extra carry rewards. And just a heads up, the manager had to force print this, the $3 for these. I don't know why, but it's only 1 tracking, even though I bought 2. So just a heads up on the Irish Springs. Here's transaction number 3. This Chic Razor is priced at $8.99. This is $5.99. If you use both of these, your total will be cheaper. But I had a $3 off digital for this that I clipped last week. I should have waited, but I just wanted to clip it. So here's how my receipt looked for this transaction. And when you buy 2 of these, you get back a $5 ECB. It took off the 4 for the disposable. Then I had a 3 off 12 CRT, a 50-cent app only coupon, and $3 from the Tresemme I used. And my out of pocket was $1.48. But if you use 2 of these, your out of pocket would be 48 cents. And this is transaction number 4. I did 2 different deals. The first deal is when you buy 2 toothpaste you get back $4.50. When you buy 2 toothbrushes or mouthwash, you get back $5. I had a 75-cent printable on this and a 50-cent paper coupon for this. I also used 2 50-cent coupons on these two. So here's my receipt. As you can see, one of them did not ring up on sale. So that's probably why it says it's only one tracking on here. But the manager was nice, and he force print the ECB from this transaction because I showed him the picture in the ad, and he honored the deal. So here's my coupons I used: 2 50-cent, 1 75-cent, another 50-cent coupon. Then I had a $3 off one whitening kit CRT, and I also used a $5 ECB. So it made my out of pocket $6.21, and I got back this $5 for the toothbrushes and $4.50. Well, another $5 for these. It's supposed to be $4.50, but I guess the line was getting a little backed up, so he just put $5 instead of $4.50. And just a quick reminder, so you want to have a blender like I did for this toothpaste, check the price on a coupon machine. Like when you first go in the store, scan to make sure it rings up on sale. And this is my final transaction. And when I tell you my heart was fluttering, I haven't done a transaction like this in a very long time. Well, let me go over the receipt. Well, the promotion. This is when you spend 30, you get back 10. Mix match items, as you can see. Got home, hair, and face. So yeah, mix and match. So this was priced at $19.49. These are 2 for $12. These are buy one get one half off. I scanned in the store to see if the $3 off 2 Febreze coupon attached, and it did. And I also had a $4 off 2 digital for these. And let's go over my receipt. I had some CRTs from last week as well. Okay, so the $4 off 2 digital came off. The $3 off 2 digital came off of this, plus a 1 app only digital came off. So that's $4 in savings. So I got that absolutely free. Then I had a $7 off 1 digital CRT from last week. I had another one for this week. 2 off of 6 Herbal Essence CRT from last week, and another one for this week. So I'm like, oh! And then I rolled $8 in extra care rewards. My subtotal was $2.72. And I got back $10. $10. Oh my God. I'm just speechless. So, in all, I spent $27, but I got back $5, $10, and I hit Beauty twice. So I'm gonna get $6 in Beauty reward. So that's 10, 5. So I'm getting back 21. So I'm gonna have 21 to start off for next week. So that's not bad at all.